Oh shit, that ain't even spinning.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. The fucker's cranking, dude.
We got him on.
I want to land it this time, Jack.
Just don't step on my line, okay, John?
Yeah. Let me over here, buddy. I'll take it home.
This is a decent fish.
What?
Took a lot of line.
It sure did. Feels like a pretty decent fish. Ooh, look at that.
Northern?
Kind of hard to say still. Definitely feels heavy. Could be a northern.
Salmon. That'd be nice.
Nah, it's not a salmon.
I don't think it's a salmon. Could be a laker, could be a northern.
Pickerel.
Feels bigger than a pickerel. So what I'm doing here, Tanner, is keeping tension on the line at the whole time, okay? But at the same time, not pulling hard, only enough to keep tension. Ease him in. He saw the hole now.
No, he's taking line.
And then just slowly bring him back in, always keeping just a little bit of tension, not enough to let him break you off, but enough to bring them into the hole over and over again until they're tired enough to pull them through the hole. Hopefully we get a look at this fish right now.
Yeah.
Ooh, let him go, Jay.
No, he don't want to go yet.
Okay, that's good. Here's the leader. Oh, he don't like that hole. This could be a big fish. It kind of feels huge.
It looks like
His runs are getting smaller.
Yeah, it kind of feels huge, honestly, from the power of the acceleration. See that? Wow.
That's like fishing's equivalent of drag.
Yeah.
That's a drag
okay,
right
everybody
there.
make sure there's no sunlight in the hole this time.
Here we go. Haven't even seen what kind of fish it is yet.
No. Every time he comes
here we go.
close.
It's another
a
big pike.
Northern, dude. That's a big boy.
That's a way big boy.
Holy
Yeah,
shit.
that
Jay,
might-
you can.
Okay.
That might be 15.
Yeah, that might be. That looks like it's over 40 inches.
Yeah, you can have that one.
Yeah,
I'm not
we'll get
proud
this
of
one.
that
We'll get him.
Not
We're gonna
bad.
we're gonna do it old.
while, though.
We're gonna do it old style. Look at, he almost took all the line back.
So,
All right, this one might be a little while to get him tired enough before we could attempt it.
there's no head.
This looked like it's over 40 inches.
He's good.
He is big
This
boy.
might be your 20-pounder, Jay.
Yeah, this could be the big one we've been looking for. Let's see if we can get another look at it.
Jay, what's your biggest pike that you've caught?
41.5 inches, almost 19 pounds.
Ooh.
I have not broke the 20-pound mark yet. Come close a
Maybe
lot of
this is
times. Let's hope so. Boy, this is gonna be a battle. Now let's remember, this is only on 6-pound test line and that tiny little number 12 hook. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's huge. Not
He
yet,
ain't
Jay.
coming up yet.
No, he's just gaining strength.
Yeah,
Hold
he's
on.
gonna go again.
Holy shit, look at the fin on him.
So it's 6 pounds.
Watch out so they can see.
John, get out of the light so I can see. I'm about to land this guy. Easy, easy. I should be able to finesse him right out, Jay. He's not 20 pounds, I'll tell you that though. Oh, we see his hook. You see where he's hooked? Barely in the lip.
Yep.
I got him.
You got him?
Yeah. Should have him. Easy.
He doesn't like the light.
He's about to give up. We'll just finesse him right up out of the hole. Nope, not yet. Next time. Nope. Almost. Easy. Oh, he's barely hooked. He is barely hooked.
Love you to grab him. That is
Look at that.
nice fish.
He is barely hooked. Look at this, guys. That's it. That's not 40.
That's 15.
That's probably 15 pounds though.
Vamp time, Mark. Jay, you keep this one?
No, we're gonna put him back down the hole. I would like to get an actual measurement. He's probably 38, 39.
Okay, where's your measure?
It's in my my sled.
It's kind of crazy out there.